This video is intended to give you a sample of what is available in the Mercedes-Benz Model 140 Star Classic library. We'll go ahead and start by noting the model years covered right here, and what is, basic information that is covered by the manual right there. Manual's got an introduction manual separated by years, with different documents pertaining to different cars for those years. So, for example, we're going to select 1994 S420 and see what pops up. There are some vehicle-specific documents about all these items that you see here. We'll go ahead and click automatic transmission and see what it says. And basically it just gives you information about the transmission, when it shifts, shift points, so on and so forth. The introduction manual is basically just very, very basic information, nothing really intended for repairs. You've also got your owner's manuals for all 92 through 99 S-Class vehicles, service bulletins that were issued through 2004. You've got your maintenance manual here, which is divided into groups of years. Diagnostic manual. Diagnostic manual does require a handheld tool from Mercedes-Benz. You can purchase that from them if you want to. Repair documents are broken up into different sections, basically work information and basic data. And you've got your parts information here, which would include any part numbers that are specific to different model years and so on and so forth. It's got a search function, and we'll go ahead and just give you a sample of the search function. I'll type in evaporator because all 140 owners know that the evaporator is the most common problem with that vehicle. And you've got basically your documentation here on removing and installing the evaporator. Basically this gives you an idea of, what's what and where's where, what tools you need, and the steps in which to do the procedure. All this is opened within a self-contained Adobe Reader window within your actual Internet Explorer window, so you can move up and down easily and switch between documents if you need to. And then going back to the home page here, it also includes the ETM, which is the electrical troubleshooting manual. The ETM contains the wiring diagrams, the vacuum diagrams, all that stuff. It is called Web ETM, but all the information is actually contained on the DVD, and you do not need any type of internet access to use this. So we'll go ahead and click on Web ETM with Starfinder. It's going to bring us to the first page of the ETM, which is the main index. We've got a search key here, and we've also got an advanced search option here. But basically, if you just want to see some wiring diagrams, you go right here. And when viewing a wiring diagram, the manual is going to load up this interface here, which is AutoCAD Design Review. Gives you a lot of flexibility with this stuff in terms of zooming in, moving things around, and really making sense of all the wires and so on. There is a legend that explains what all the items are. There are diagnostics available for you to troubleshoot, and these show what connectors are involved with this specific diagram, for example. So wiring diagram, vacuum diagram part, very easy to understand, very easy to break down. All this information is all printable as well. And you can zoom into it, you can move it around. It really gives you a lot of manipulation with it. So that is the ETM, and that's basically it. If you have any questions, please email us via eBay, and thanks for looking. Have a good night.